Ooh, hi people. This is Hippo from Hippo Hat. Hippo, get out of my shot! Well, this is Webkin's Adventure Part 2. And, so today, well, this is the box movie. The box movie is where he was at my shop, but he's not allowed to be, so I have to... Well, that was disturbing because you boys do that stupid stuff. You should be buried in here already. Now, someone help me bury him. Woo! Guys, why are you burying me? I'm like your best friend. No, I'm like your best buddy. Why are you burying me? Because you're evil. Okay, you're finally buried. Wait, was it a thing on camera? Turn the camera!